Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow notifications from specific websites in Google Chrome. This is super useful when you want to stay updated on important sites without getting bombarded by notifications from every website you visit. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing your browser experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the menu and will open Chrome's main settings page, where you can adjust everything from your home page to advanced security features. Clicking on Settings is essential as it's your gateway to managing all of Chrome's notification preferences. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll see several categories for different types of settings. Navigate to and click on Privacy and Security. This section houses all the important controls related to how Chrome handles your data, cookies, and site permissions. It's where you'll find the specific controls for managing which websites can send you notifications. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several options listed. Look for and click on Site Settings. This area allows you to control what individual websites can and cannot do on your browser, including access to your camera, microphone, location, and of course, notifications. Site Settings gives you granular control over each website's permissions. Now, scroll through the Site Settings options until you find Notifications. Click on it to open the Notifications Management page. This is where Chrome displays all your notification preferences and shows you which sites are currently allowed or blocked from sending you notifications. You'll see two main sections here, one for sites allowed to send notifications and another for sites that are blocked. And the notification settings, look for the section labeled Allowed to Send Notifications. This is where you'll add the specific websites you want to receive notifications from. Inside this section, you'll see an Add button. Click on Add to open a dialog box where you can input website addresses. A text field will appear prompting you to enter a website URL. Type in the complete web address of the specific website you want to allow notifications from. For example, you might enter something like www.example.com or news.website.com. Make sure you enter the URL accurately to ensure Chrome recognizes the site correctly. After entering the website address, click the Add button in the dialog box. Chrome will immediately add this website to your allowed list, which means from now on, this specific site will be able to send you browser notifications whenever there's new content or updates. The website will now appear in your allowed to send notifications list, and you'll start receiving notifications from it right away. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to allow notifications from your chosen website. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.